This is me before and this is me now. I have been coming to this program. It's just like something that I need to do each week. It's like my conscience bother me when I can't get here. So the program have been great for me. I came here and I was kind of embarrassed when I first came. Um, I got myself into this, and I always say I'm going to get myself out of this. So that's been my little motto I use all the time. Well, the program been great. The people, the staff, and everybody been just great. I just love them, and they seem to love me. And I'm friendly with all the other people that come here. Everything just been nice. I've been enjoying myself. I've been happy. I had got so big and blown up until I was just like, oh, I don't want to take no pictures. I used to go on vacation a lot, and I like to eat. I love to eat. I eat on emotions. I can't just stop eating. I love to eat, but now I found a better way to eat, and I feel better. I get around good. It's just great. I don't be out of breath when I go up the staircase. So life been good for me. I been had some ups and downs, but I jumped right back on the bandwagon. I come through the door. Lydia can tell right away, what's wrong with you, Barbara? Well, how did you get yourself into this? I'm like, well, I'm gonna start all over again, and I get back on the bandwagon and start up again. So here I am. Each day, it's a good day.